Hi, my name is Leonard Munson, the Somatic Astrologer. My website is readingsbyleonardtmunson.net. Welcome to Water Signs Thursdays from February the 19th to March the 6th, 2026. Cancer, your solar sun is in the 8th house. The 8th house is Scorpio, the house of abundance, prosperity, infinity, strength, success, intimacy, share resources, death and resurrection, rising from the ashes, transformation and change, and secrets. And its ruling planet is Mars and Pluto. Mars is a planet of vigor, drive, passion, energy, sensuality, and it's also the planet of war, rage, aggression, but in a positive way here. So the theme is, are you ready to do the work? Are you ready to stop playing small? Are you ready to be accountable and responsible to movement, to move forward in your actions and your goals and your dreams? Not with the quick decisions, you got to come up with the strategies. Cancer. You got to have a plan. And you got to have a foundation and a structure. Now the sun is in Aquarius. Aquarius represents hopes, wishes, friendships, groups, organization, humanitarian efforts, and it also represents chaos, upheaval, change, revolutionary. That's going to bring you freedom and independence. And the next planet that is ruled by the 8th house is Pluto. Pluto's in Aquarius too. So change is coming about. You want freedom. These things have been bothering you beneath the surface, Cancer. Now it's coming to the head for you to take action on it. So the action is that you have to get people, places, and things out of your life that's no longer serving you. If people do not want to heal, let them be, because they don't want to do the work. You are doing the work. You're not using your emotions. You're using your intellect. You're thinking, even though emotions rule the 8th house, but it gets you in trouble because it becomes unfocused. And you then become confused and you can't think. And these things are what the people have been doing to you, getting you unfocused, keeping you from doing what you need to do to take up your time because they don't want to do the work. Now, Mercury's in Pisces too. So the 8th house also deals with intuition. So you got a double bammer here, Cancer, and you deal with intuition too. So you've not been trusting your intuition. You've been not following through your hunches, and then you second guess yourself, third guess, fourth guess, and then you're confused. And then you know where you at. And you're going round and round in circles. So you have to withdraw your energy from these people and places and things who no longer serve you. In love, finances, possession, beauty, and luxury. And this illusion that you've been having about these people, they were not really helping you, they were holding you back. They were your secret enemies. Now Jupiter's in your sign, but it's retrograding. Whenever a planet's retrograde, Cancer, it's moving backwards. From Earth's point of view, you're reviewing what was going on when it was going direct, and you're correcting it. So you're correcting your foundation. You're correcting your structure. And there is a roots, foundation, family, home, security, and women in your life. You're not getting involved with your emotions anymore. We have 4 planets in Aquarius. When we have more than one planet in a sign, they call it a stellium. So there's things sweeping, moving. Use your intellect to bring change and freedom and independence. Okay? Now we have February the 17th, 2026. We have a new moon. We have the solar eclipse of the sun and the Chinese New Year, the year of the fire horse. Now things are going to start to happen very quickly because the horse goes quickly. And the fire is going to destroy all that residue that's been holding you back so you can move forward. Now Saturn went in Aries. So there's lessons to learn. Karma. I don't believe in karma. I believe what you do to others, the universe is going to bring you back that what you did to others, whether it's negative or positive. So we want it to be positive so we can get the miracles. We don't want to get demiracles, okay? Again, in love, money, work, and possession, and beauty and luxury. That's why the North Node is in Pisces, for you to trust your intuition. And Neptune is in Pisces. Stop having these illusions and fantasies, this brain fog and deception. See clearly now who you got to get out of your life and what you got to do to move forward out of this stagnation. Liberty is in Sagittarius. You want to get out of this box that society have restrained you in it. You want your freedom. You want to be able to move the way you want to move and have the adventure. And stop playing the victim, the wounded warrior, and the flight, the fight, and thinking negative and this scarcity mindset. You're a survivor, Cancer. Abundance. All right?